Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on commerce and industry. So let's start with question number 1. MNC stands for A. Multinational Corporation, B. Multinational Committee, C. Multinational Company, D. None of the above. And the answer is A, and that's Multinational Corporation. Question number 2. New economic policy in India was started in the year A. in 1991, B. 1992, C. 1993, D. 1994. And the answer is A. 1991. Question number 3. The most common route for investment by MNCs in countries around the world is A. Set up new factories, B. Buy existing local companies, C. Form partnerships with local companies, D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is C. Form partnerships with local companies. Question number 4. Fair globalization would mean A. Fair opportunities for all, B. Fair benefits for all, C. More support to small producers, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 5. Removing barriers or restrictions set by the government is called A. Liberalization, B. Investment, C. Favorable trade, D. Free trade. And the answer is A. Liberalization. Question number 6. Liberalization, privatization and globalization are the aims of A. Economic planning, B. Socialistic pattern of society, C. Land reforms, D. Economic reforms. And the correct answer is D. Economic reforms. Question number 7. Rapid integration or interconnection between countries is known as A. Privatization, B. Globalization, C. Liberalization, D. Socialization. And the correct answer is B. Globalization. Question number 8. Investment made by MNCs are termed as A. Foreign investment, B. Entrepreneurs investment, C. Indigenous investment, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Foreign investment. Question number 9. Which of the following is not a feature of a multinational company? Your options are A. It owns or controls production in more than one nation, B. It sets up factories where it is close to the markets, C. It organizes production in complex ways, D. It employs labor only from its own country. So the correct answer is D. It employs labor only from its own country. Question number 10. An MNC is a company that owns or controls production in option A. More than one country, B. Only developing countries, C. Only developed country, D. One country. And the correct answer is A, and that's more than one country. Question number 11. What was the main channel connecting countries in the past? Option A. Labor, B. Religion, C. Technology, D. Trade. And the answer is D. Trade. Question number 12. What is the main motto behind the investment of MNCs? Option A. The main motto is to increase their assets and earn profit. B. The main motto is the welfare of the poor people. C. The main motto of an MNC is to offer financial support to the government of their country. D. The main motto is to benefit foreign countries. And the answer is A, and that's the main motto is to increase their assets and earn profit. Question number 13. In which year did the government decide to remove barriers on foreign trade and investment in India? Your options are A. 1992, B. 1991, C. 1990, D. 1993. And the correct answer is B, and that is 1991. Question number 14. The Industrial Revolution begins in A. England, B. America, C. Germany, D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. England.